How? If my memory serves right, you sang Dukha in your first performance, right? And in your first performance, you already hit my admiration. Almost perfect vocal I've ever heard. And one thing, you are really good in choosing your song. So good luck.
Thank you so much. And we also have Sir Denny for Kim Go-chen. Parang si Kim Go-chen, parang Koreano, gano'n, Chinese.
Good evening, Kim Chen. You look beautiful with that matching attire tonight.
Yes, thank you so much.
You just sang the song from the heart, and you let us feel the message of the song. Keep it up. Good luck.
Okay, thank you, sir. Parang kasi, hindi, kasi yung sabi ni Sir Kim Shen parang nagutom ako. Korean na Korean. Okay, Sir Benny, for Alvin.
Alwin, huwag ka masyadong kabahan. Pagpasok mo lang, kinabahan ka na. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ano na. So, ang advice ko lang sa'yo, bawas-bawasan yung kape. Pero matas yung boses mo ha, lalo na nung nag-air supply ka last week. Air supply ba yun?
Ano ba ginagawa mo, Alvin, last week?
Here I am.
Ay, here I am. Oh, yes.
Mataas yun. Di ko kaya yun. Kaya mo, di ba? Ang galing mo. Pero ano lang, kunting bawas lang ng kaba.
Akala ko bawas ng amin ulit namin. Kasi air supply. Joke lang, sir. Okay, and finally, Sir Jamie for Aaron.
Aaron, ano masasabi ko? First appearance, parang hindi mo masyadong sineryoso yung kanta mo. Sa awit na Dance with My Father, may hinahanap ako dyan. Kasi kulang ka sa damdamin. Diba? At saka kung nagkamali ka sana, just stay on stage hanggang sa matapos yung awit.
Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our